In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom animation to GoHighLevel page elements. Let's start by signing in. Head to the official GoHighLevel website and log into your account so you're on the main dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel via your browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. From the left-hand menu, click Sites. This is where all your funnels and websites live, and it's the hub for the pages you'll be editing. Choose whether you're working in funnels or websites, then open the specific page you want to enhance with animation. Pick the exact funnel step or web page that needs that extra motion. Click Edit to launch the page builder. Give it a moment to load your layout and elements. Now click the element you want to animate. This can be text, an image, a button, or any block you want to draw attention to. Selecting it opens the settings panel on the side. In the settings for that element, go to the Advanced section. This is where GoHighLevel hides the more powerful controls. If you see built-in animation options, try those first. Pick an effect, then adjust any available controls like delay or duration so the motion feels smooth and not distracting. Short, subtle animations often look more professional than long, bouncy ones. If you want something more custom, add a custom CSS class to the element. Use a clear name you'll remember like Fade in Hero or BTM Bounce. This class is the link between the element and the code you'll add next. Open the page settings or the custom code section for that page. Paste your CSS animation code there. Make sure the class name in your CSS matches the one you assigned to the element, and include the keyframes that define the motion. For example, your CS would include a rule for your class that sets animation name, duration and timing, plus a matching add keyframes block. Keep it lightweight to maintain fast load times. Click Save. It's a good habit to save often as you iterate. Use Preview to see the animation in action. Watch for timing, overlapping effects, or elements that move too much on smaller screens. When you're happy with it, click Publish to push the changes live. Finally, open the live page and test the animation. Check on desktop and mobile, and consider a private or incognito window to rule out caching. If anything feels off, tweak the timing or easing until it's just right. Thanks for watching.